Hey guys, Jason Atha back with you from stockmarketgumption.com. I want to talk about something today that I think is very important. Anything in life kind of relates to this, but I want to relate it specifically to your stock market trading or your investing in the stock market, as we talk about a lot on stockmarketgumption.com. And it all has to do with a blog post that I wrote a while back that some of you may have read. It's called What's Your Why? Your why. And what I mean by that is, why are you trading? Why are you investing your money in the stock market? I think there's three primary reasons that we all think about investing money in the stock market. Now, if you're a new trader, or you're a beginner in the stock market, or maybe you're watching this video and you're just trying to learn what the stock market actually is, because you've heard about it and you've heard that you can make money there, certainly you can, but you got to know what the why is behind it. Why do you want to trade the stock market, or why do you want to invest money long term? I think there's those three primary reasons. The first being because you want to make money to save it. You want to save it for the future. Could be for a new house, could be you're saving for a child's education, could be you're saving for a wedding, could be a lot of different things, maybe even retirement. You know, that could be your overarching why, the reason that you are investing in the stock market. And what that helps you do is that every time you place a trade, you got that in your mind. So you got to make sure that when you place a trade, that it fits in line with your overarching why. Does that help you accomplish your goal? That's something super important to think about. So number one, again, your why could be saving money for the future. Number two, you want to make money so you can spend it. That's your why. Maybe that's your overarching why. Maybe it's that you want to buy a new car, that you want to go on vacations, you want to kind of have some financial freedom. Or maybe it's your everyday career and you want to use that money to spend on your bills and put food on the table. Maybe that's it for you. If that's your overarching why for trading in the stock market, then you need to make sure that every trade you place aligns with that. It might involve maybe not taking as much risk. Maybe it involves taking a little bit more risk in some scenarios. But make sure it aligns with that. And the third and final why that I believe of the three overarching whys for the reasons we trade is to give it away. And this one's near and dear to my heart. I specifically love to trade because I like to give money away. There's no better feeling to me than being able to give a young single mom a $50 or $100 tip at the restaurant because I feel prompted to do so. There is just a lot of good feeling in that, certainly. And I like to be able to do that. I love to be able to donate money to charity. I love to be able to help people financially when I want to, just because I can. And that's one of the reasons that I trade. So those are your three overarching whys. So when you decide to get started in the stock market, or you're an aspiring trader, maybe you've been trading a long time, but you're just trying to get over the top, try to figure out, of those three whys, which one is most applicable to you. You can certainly drill down and come up with a lot more specific things, but overall, make sure that your trades and the research you're doing aligns with your why. So what's your why? Think about it today before you place that next trade. Again, Jason Atha with stockmarketgumption.com. You can follow us on Twitter at @TradingGumption. Look forward to being back with you soon. Until then, trade with gumption. We'll talk soon.